First Student carries some of the most precious cargo in North America. We provide student journeys for more than 5 million children every day. As the largest student transportation service provider in North America, including traditionally underserved communities and a large special education population, First Student plays a critical role in our educational infrastructure. First Student provides full-service transportation management, route optimization and maintenance with a fleet of approximately 45,000 buses. And now, we're leading the industry by converting our traditional diesel school buses to electric. In fact, we're currently the largest operator of electric school buses in North America.
We have the opportunity to change the game here, which is why EQT plans to make significant investments to electrify First Student's fleet in the coming years, which we see as crucial to future-proofing the business and critical in our role as a responsible owner. We're also committed to building on First Student's success by making investments in organizational, operational, and digital technology initiatives, all of which will further improve and differentiate the company's services.
In addition to the clear environmental and student health benefits, electrification of school bus fleets also results in a much better experience for the students and the drivers. Every school bus takes 34 to 50 cars off the road. So by electrifying even one bus, we're making huge progress on reducing vehicle emissions and decreasing traffic, benefiting our communities and the environment.
EQT doesn't just measure success by economic impact. We can make a clear difference in our communities and beyond. We can think globally and act locally, because there is nothing more local than a yellow school bus.
School buses only run for a few hours in a day, in the morning and in the afternoon. That's different from most other vehicles and a really interesting opportunity for grid reliability. We want to solve how school buses can provide battery capacity back to the grid.
And looking at the big picture here, by electrifying the largest school bus operator in North America, we can drive real progress toward electrification across the continent. Transitioning First Student's fleet alone would make a huge dent in emissions. But beyond that, this process requires mass-scale batteries, charging stations, regulatory changes, all moving us towards global decarbonization. Because it's about more than buses. It's about the environment, the health of our children, and the communities served.